So let me show you how you can analyze your video, your shorts, your reels, your ads, any video you would like to, not just these, but any personal video counts too. But let's go to our video analyzer tool inside Ruuwe, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. So first you will have to upload your video, ad or content place for AI-powered audience analysis. So we will again select our focus group, which is our marketing to AI focus group that we had generated before. And we have 10 personas in this focus group that will tell us how our video will perform before we post it, not to burn the budgets that we usually burn while creating videos and while putting them out on ads, because a lot of budget is burnt, to be fair. So this helps you kind of, or reject that, and this helps you overcome that problem. So let's go to upload your video part and select language, which I will be selecting English, and then select video. So let's select our video. Video analysis, and then we have the sneaker ad video that I have just uploaded. And then what I will do is start analysis, and it's uploading my video into the system. And while we wait, let me talk about how important it is to analyze your video ad, your content, your personal video content that you would like to share with people, just to see how it will perform before you burn a big budget, especially in ads, or before you post it online for people's reactions. So one of the most important things about Ruuwe's video analyzer tool is that it can predict how your video will perform before you post it, and it can kind of help you with the budget, because in the marketing world, as you know, burning big budgets is a most common problem that you can see. And one of the things with the video analyzer inside Ruuwe is that it predicts how your content will perform. So you don't have to burn that much budget, and you will know and fix things before you put it out there for people to react and to see, and you will see if people will return and if it really hits your target audience. And creating these persona groups, according to your target audience is one of the most important parts of creating an ad campaign, especially if you're doing marketing or if you're a marketing group, because as you know, these focus groups take weeks and they burn a lot of budget. And even if they take weeks and even if they burn a lot of budget, they kind of cannot really predict how your campaign will perform. And so we've kind of built this bridge between the people and the content and how it will perform, so you will see for yourself once the process is completed. Our analysis results are in for our sneaker ad video. So the overall score is 72%, which is quite good for a video. And visual impact, 22 out of 25, not bad. Emotional, 12 out of 25, well, it could be improved. Hook potential, 20 out of 25%. Retention, 18 out of 20%. So we have a score breakdown, as you can see from here, which we had a visual impact, emotional, hook potential, retention, and then we have the detailed analysis. So we have the visual impact, emotional resonance, hook potential, and then the retention quality. And we have the sentiment and mood, where we have visual, audio combined, and intensity. So we have the mood tags, neutral, serious, cool, and our color palette here, where you can actually also get the color codes. Just a fun fact. So you can click to copy hex code. And then we have the key insights. So if we had a speech inside our video or a dialogue, it will give us the speech and dialogue insight for it, which is the key. But in this video, we don't have that, so we won't need that. So it says no speech or dialogue detected in this content, which is correct. And then we have the visual analysis. So the scene type is commercial, which is right because it's a sneaker ad. And the setting is urban, outdoor, concrete, architecture, city, streets at night. So this was a street style, sneaker video. So that's quite good. Production quality is professional. lighting, mixed. So we have the visual sentiment, composition quality and visual complexity scores all here. And objects detected, sneakers, skateboard, bomber jacket, which is all right, which is high. Faces and emotions. So we have 3 faces detected here, skateboarding, right. Walking and posing, which is all okay. And it says text detected, Nuuwe Footwear Co., which is also correct. So we have audio analysis. We don't have the transcripted audio here, so no transcript available. We have audio quality, clarity, energy, background noise. You can all see the scores here. Audio details are here. And the key topics, tone, audio events. So scene breakdown. This is a very crucial part of the video analysis. So the video summary summarizes what this video is about and what it does. And you can see actually also second by second how it analyzes your video and everything in the video. So you can check, double check to see how your video is. And then we have the narrative analysis where you can have the hook present, yes, hook timestamp, climax, story arc, pacing, and all of these details. And then we have the recommendations part. The recommendations part is mainly about suggested use cases. For example, top of funnel brand awareness ad, Instagram reel hook, website hero video background, content improvements, the most crucial part. So this is all about improving your video content, your video ad, your reel, your shorts. So it says, add a clear call to action at the end, which is true. Include text overlays with the product name and price. Add a voiceover to tell a brief story or highlight the brand's ethos. Show the product packaging to build a premium feel. And loop the ending seamlessly back to the beginning to increase watch time on TikTok/Reels. Very important insight. And then we have the optimal click points, so 0 to 6 seconds. The entire video is already perfectly sized for a short form loop, just needs a CTA. Quite good. Then we have the technical adjustments here, targeting suggestions, add copy angle. So you can actually say title streetwear essentials, description of that, and then you can add the tabs here and tags. And then we have the targeting suggestions, who to target if you're opening an ad, and the platforms and the optimal posting times, which are very important if you are creating an ad for a video. And the content engagement score, 75%, could be better. So I would say let's evaluate our video, let's evaluate this report, this analysis, and according to the evaluations and according to the analysis that the Ruuwe system has given me with the 10 personas, let's recreate our ad before posting it online, and let's not burn our budget, which is the most important part. So going back here, now that we have looked at the analysis part, the next part that we can look at is the persona reactions part. Now the persona reactions is detailed feedback from 10 AI generated personas based on your demographics. Okay, so as you can see, we have a drop down menu, and here we have the Jack, who is 35 to 50 years old, male, B2B regional sales manager, and he's from Liverpool. And he has given us a 42% score, and he was interested, he had a bit of attention, share intent 10, action intent 10, completion 100%. So these really give us analysis according to each persona, which we have 10, and according to their jobs, their careers, their age, the background that they're coming from, where they live. And as you can see, we have many different scores that they have given us. And according to this, we can also know how our personas, how real people, when we post this ad, will react to our ad. And we learn a lot from this. And this, of course, like I've stated many times before, really stops us from burning big budgets, because we can predict how our video will perform before we post it online or on TV or any platform that you would like to post it on. So this is like a bridge This is like knowing and predicting beforehand how your content will perform before you post it, before you share it, which is a very important part of Ruuwe and why we have built Ruuwe in the first place.